Has chess become boring for you? Does it feel like every game's the same? Well, fear not, because in this video I am going to show you how to play an opening that until now has been reserved only for grandmasters. With this opening, you'll most likely lose, but in the rare chance that you win, your opponent will proceed to delete their chess.com account, leave society, and start living in the woods out of sheer humiliation. You should be afraid. Why? I'm leaving my castle this game. I'm coming for you. Good luck with that, lul. The opening moves are pretty simple. First this and then bring me out. Congratulations, you have now unlocked the most powerful opening in chess and the possibilities are endless. What the f are you doing? I am showing that I am not afraid because I'm invincible.
Oh my god guys, king is drunk again. He wants to fight everyone.
We must play really good to save his drunk ass.
Pawn is under attack. I must defend him.
Stop king and go back. I will defend him.
Thank you Horsey for having my back. Now we can go fuck up the black king together. Don't worry king, I will save you from being checked. Block kitty block.
I will just develop my pieces and crush you because you didn't castle. Oh really? I don't need to be castled unlike you. Come and face me like a man.
Don't listen to him, he is provoking you. Just play it safe and we will kill him.
Yes my lady, I am not as stupid as him. Don't worry knight, your king will come to protect you.
Okay team, listen up. My husband is completely drunk, so I'll lead this battle.
Okay, can I go join my brother?
Move yourself to F4 so we create some space on that side.
Push itty push.
Now he wants to come to G4 to attack our bishop, so pawn, let's stop that.
Okay, I will.
Wait, don't go pawn. I am protecting the bishop already.
Just move and ignore his ass.
Sorry my king, I must move now or my life is at risk.
Hee, look at you. I am all castled and safe, and you are in the middle of the board, haven't developed anything and can't castle. There's no way you can come back from this. We are partying over here.
Wow, he really is drunk.
Don't worry, we can still win this. I will develop myself.
Hee, stupid knight, you are attacking us, but we are all protecting each other. Pawns together strong.
For real knight, you are useless there.
We are coming for you black king. Our king might be drunk but our minds are sharp as steel.
Okay, let's think. His king is in the middle of the board, so we should probably attack the center. Pawn, go.
Yes my king.
Hello there.
See you later alligator. Thank you for the center.
Check to your drunk ass. Don't worry king, I can just take him.
I must run away, that is the ugliest horse I ever saw in my life.
But I can just take. What the fuck king, I could have taken him and we would fuck up his pawns. Now he can do that to us.
I am safe, that is the most important thing right now. No bishopy boy, may you rest in peace.
At least I can take so he doesn't take me and ruin our pawn structure.
It's attack time, we are coming for you.
Do I take him? Don't worry brother, I will protect you. Oh look, I can push and take more space. Look, you are stupid, because now you can't open up our king. The only thing that is stupid is you.
I must sacrifice myself in order to get rid of this stupid knight over here.
I have come to kill you. Go ahead, my brothers will just take my place and your king will be more open. Oh f***, you are right. Okay, let's not kill each other.
Psych!
Hey guys, how is it going?
We are attacking but need more forces.
I think I am starting to come to my senses. Here rook, you can get in the game.
Finally, I haven't moved all game.
What the fuck?
Don't worry man, I am attacking his bishop so he must move.
But he is attacking you 2 times. There is a queen behind the bishop.
Oh shit.
I will protect you my friend, and I will make space for my brother to join behind me. What the fuck? I came to protect you and you just gave yourself up. Looks like I have to do everything myself.
Pawnee boy will be under attack soon. I will help defend you.
Oh yes, we are going to attack you anyway.
Fuck, I am in danger. Woman, can you go behind the rook and put extra pressure on that h-file so that when our pawn gets killed, we take their rook?
I don't think that is a very good idea.
Just do it.
Okay, here you go.
Ha ha lol. What even is that move?
I tried telling him.
I don't see it, guys. What's up?
I can just checkmate you by taking the pawn.
Oh fuck, well it's GG.
We played Bongcloud to humiliate you, so let's do that a bit more. Check. Check. Die now. Check.
Wait, we're winning?
Check. Now you're dead. We managed to lose to a drunk king.
I know, but it was so confusing I didn't know what to do.
A drunk king that's a part of Top Chess Army is stronger than a sober king from Harvard University.
What is Top Chess Army?
It's an online community, where the best top chess members come together, and improve at the game.
We just passed 69 members, so thank you everyone.
Okay, I will join it now. You should join it now, but don't forget that you are still a dumb fuck anyways. Okay, now the White King has no idea that I'm the main character now and I know the Bongcloud opening, so I'm going to catch him by surprise. Don't worry pawn, I will come save you.
What the f***, king, you are too slow, I am going to die now.
Sorry pawn, but this was a necessary sacrifice for the king's attack gambit.
What's the king's attack gambit?
It's a new opening I just invented. See, I told you you'll be fine. What the fuck, bishop, why didn't you let the knight take the pawn?
Sorry man, I pre-moved. I didn't expect him to play that move.
You're for real? What the fuck is that move, black? It's a move that is going to crush you in 15 moves. Lol, good luck with that.
Can you please stop chit-chatting and protect me? Don't worry brother, here I come.
Okay, we will just storm the center and crush you.
As a part of the king's attack gambit, I will just attack that pawn. Fuck your attack, here I come to defend.
It's time for your death. If I die, you die, so be it. I will be like a gladiator making my way into enemy territory.
Hello there.
What the fuck, queen?
I misclicked.
I will take your horsey and march further into your territory. If I sneak extra quietly, I can make myself a queen. I am so close, I will be able to zip all around the board like Aladdin flying on his magic carpet.
Okay, we are winning already. I told you it's a good opening.
We should trade down now. Here I go. See you in hell.
Okay, I will just take this bishop now.
No, I will do it.
Wow, my king is so brave.
He is not brave, he is stupid.
If he is stupid and we are winning, that makes you even more stupid.
Fair point, but I'm going to castle to safety.
Hello guys, did I miss something? I was asleep.
Maybe.
What the fuck is king doing on e6?
Me? Just hanging around.
Checkity check.
If I go to d7, he will forkity fork the queen and rook, so I must protect the f7 pawn.
Thank you my king, I thought you were stupid.
Bro, we're literally winning.
I am x-raying you now, Black King.
Not for long.
Oh, you want that outpost? Well, forget about it.
Camper mode activated.
You are jumping around like a lunatic. What are you even doing? My king is telling me to move to make you nervous. Well, it isn't working.
Okay guys, now that we have intimidated our opponent, it's time that I walk to my castle.
Roger, roger.
Now that you no longer protect your knight, I will take his life and ruin your pawn structure.
No.
Okay knight, go take your brother's place.
Yes sir.
Oh look, a free pawn.
Oh no, we lost a pawn, anyway. Forkity fork.
What the fuck, queen, how did you allow this?
How is it my fault? The bishop literally took their pawn.
It's all your fault, I should have never married you.
You can marry my ass next time.
Fuck you. There you go guys, that is how you play the Bongcloud opening. Just march the king forward and intimidate your opponent. If you're looking to get better at chess, then join Top Chess Army. We're having a challenge right now and whoever improves the most will be featured in future Top Chess videos. Wow, really? Yes, and we've already had multiple people gain over 200 elo in just 30 days. That's super cool. Do you know what's also super cool? What? Your mom.